mean, for me, my education is definitely not there. I was a N-level student. I think I studied the longest probably in the secondaries. I studied 6 years. People take 4 years, I take 6 years. But at the end of the day, because of my background, that I'm not so-called a capable person in terms of my studies. But I'm quite surprised that today, based on how much I put in terms of my hard work, and today I've actually achieved so much. In fact, I was an Air Force regular. At that point of time, I was just thinking that maybe I should go to an Air Force regular for 6 years and then to see what is the best for me. Then subsequently, of course, before I leave why I decided to leave Air Force is because at that point of time, I was just thinking, I want to create my own income. I want to build my own income. If I were to work for others, maybe I don't have a chance. So that's the reason why I happened to step into the real estate market. I thought I'll become an insurance agent because why? Because in my life, when I was studying, I always tell myself that I hope that one day I can wear like those shirts and pants with ties so that I can go to CBD and work. That's what my thoughts is. I never thought that I would become an Air Force regular because that is never in my dream, because I like to dress up and then I like to go to the work based on that. But of course, being an Air Force regular, I don't earn that much. Then that's where I started to know my wife. We got our first HDB flat and we start to realize one thing. Wow, now last time we stayed with parents, everything is paid by parents, right? But because we now own our own HDB, everything we got to pay ourselves. And we start to realize that it cannot, both of us, especially my wife, she was a stewardess, and then after that she quit her job, then she became a real estate person. But before she became a real estate agent, both of us actually are what? Because of the HDB flat that we have, we started to work at night doing telemarketing. At night, from 7 to 10 o'clock, at that point of time, I still remember we only earned $7 an hour, and that will give us $21 for 3 hours of calling. And because of that, right, I start to realize how come real estate agents can make that kind of income. And I also want to, because I say, why are we calling $21 a day, working almost like 7 days a week just to earn for people? At the end of the day, both of us just spend our night at maybe for some supper, and probably that's it really. So we realized that we don't earn that much, but because of that house that we gotten, we realized that we need to work hard, and that's where I started to know what is real estate. And that is how I get started, me and my wife, and that is where the whole so-called transformation start beginning. Because when I'm in the real estate, I really work very, very hard with my wife, almost like 7 days a week we are working. So this is how we started off, right?
Bro, Kevin, how old were you when you got married and when you made the transition, bro? How old were you?
Probably about 27, 28.
Wow,
Actually,
so
very late already because nowadays my agents who are young, 21 years old, they become real estate agents. And today, 21, 22 years old, they own real estate. Own a private property, not HDB. 27, 28, I own HDB. Like yourself, right? You own a landed property at least 27, 28 years old. My goodness, right? For me, we really work very hard from HDB at that age to today what we have. So it's really a big changes, if you ask me.
Yeah, man, the next generation, the new generation is crazy, huh? So,
Yep.
bro, I want to ask you something, dude. So 27, 28, and you started literally from the bottom, right? It's not like you had any privilege. You were an Air Force regular. You started from the bottom, and how was the rise, the real estate, agency for you? Were you like immediately first year top rookie of the year? What was your journey, brother?
My wife was, because I was at that point of time, I'm supporting my wife from the back. So basically, my first year with the real estate, my wife is also a top rookie. That means a brand new agent. She was a top in the company. Subsequently, in 2003, we decided to move over to PropNext because we felt that PropNext so-called offers us a chance to grow our team. Because all the while I was just thinking to be just a salesperson, only because when I get to meet someone in PropNext and share something about team building, growing my team, he only tell me one thing: you do not want to be at the age of 50 something years old, maybe still stand at the corridor just waiting for customer. Then he tell me that, and he says that why don't you actually consider building a team? And that is why I decided to switch over to the company, so that I want to grow my career path. In fact, I never thought that I can achieve so much in terms of team building, because I'm an introvert person. I cannot even speak that well in today's. And I'm very surprised that because of this 18 years of journey, it has really changed my life. It has pushed me so much. and that's where I really start to grow in that sense. Yeah.
Guys, I want to share with you something about Kelvin, and I hope you guys are inspired. You see, Kelvin, guys, you all see, he's an N-level student. He doesn't have the best education, right? He doesn't know how to speak very well. You can tell, right? He's an introvert. He's very, very shy. He doesn't like to go around mixing with people, for example. He's an introvert. And then he comes from an army background. He was a normal government servant. And yet today, he's the executive director of a listed company, Hey, if Kelvin can do it, guys, why can you not do it? Guys, there's literally no excuse, Look at Kelvin. This is what I'm talking about, guys. He had no silver spoon in his mouth. He had no, somebody feeding him gold or whatever it is. All he had was this determination to succeed. Like he said, every day, 7 days a week with his wife. Again, him and his wife, they wanted to build a dream. They wanted to build a bird nest. So they work hard. And today look where they are. Wow, bro. Your agency, we have 8,000 over agents, correct now, bro?
Yep, about now 8,700 over people. Yeah.
8,700 people, right? In the matter of, as in PropNex is, you joined in 2003, right? You mentioned?
Yes, 2003 was myself and my wife, and then I started to build my team in 2004. I think the last number that I counted was about close to 5,000 people before I stepped onto the board of PropNex to be the ED, to help them and to help the agents. I think for me, it's all about career movement. I need to step up so that I can proceed to help more and transform the company to the next level. And I'm really surprised. That's why I always believe one thing. In my life, I'm so excited to change people's life because I myself is a transformation. I myself have never thought that I can deliver, I can do so much thing in my life I never thought of. And that's the reason why I always believe one thing. No matter who you are today, you can change. The only thing is whether you want to be changed. That's why I'm very passionate when it comes to training, because I see a lot of my guys from nothing today, he can do so much things. They are also introvert. Many of them cannot deliver. Today they hold the mic. They are very confident about it. And that is what life is all about. To me, money is important. But at the end of the day, I always feel one thing in life here is that we must see value in ourselves. We must see ourselves to be somebody. Money we can make, but eventually we reach a certain point. It's not just about how much money you have. It's about yourself, whether do you see a change, a transformed person. And you must find meaningful in your life. I think that is the critical part. Yeah.
Guys, if inspired by Kelvin, right? If you're inspired by Kelvin, type in inspired. Right? Type in inspired if you're inspired. I don't know about you, but I'm super inspired.